pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to this second explainer in the series Beginning AI with WordPress and AI Engine. In this explainer we're going to install the AI Engine WordPress plugin, connect it to our OpenAI account and tour the AI Engine dashboard. I'll be using this WordPress site for a fictional arcade event as a backdrop for installing and using AI Engine. You'll need your own WordPress site to make the best of this series. For links to how to get started with installing WordPress, see the websites. To install the free version of AI Engine, go to Plugins and click on Add New. At the top right, search for AI Engine. The plugin we need is created by Geordie Meow. Click to Install Now and click to activate the plugin. Next, look for Meow Apps here on the menu and select AI Engine. You'll notice a warning here pointing out we must connect AI Engine to an OpenAI account. Let's do this now. Log into the OpenAI account you created in the previous explainer and select API keys on the left. Click to create a new secret key and copy the unique API key. Back in AI Engine, click on the Settings tab, select OpenAI as the service and paste your API key where indicated. Job done. AI Engine should now be able to communicate with OpenAI's generative AI models. Let's have a quick tour of the AI Engine plugin interface. The dashboard panel lets us switch on and off individual features of the plugin. The defaults here are fine for now. The Chatbots tab is where we'll create our first chatbot in the next explainer. The format of this tab is often tweaked as AI Engine is updated, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different to this. The Discussions tab will show you the interactions your visitors are having with any chatbots you've created. Of course, there's nothing to see here yet. Don't worry about the remaining tabs for the moment. At the top right of the window, there are buttons to create brand new WordPress content, AI-generated images, and the intriguingly named Playground. Feel free to click on them and have a look around. We'll use them in the next explainer as we explore the power of generative AI and see if we can create some usable content for our arcade festival sites.
pixels.cool.